The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this small video about the last week. I mean, as a weekly recap. So let's get started. The week wasn't good in the beginning, so that's why Monday was okay, but the Tuesday, Wednesday went bad, and so I started to make a video course. I was recording a lot of videos, got busy on that, so few trades this week. So let's get started. This is a EURUSD 20-minute chart on the March 2nd, which was Monday, right? As you can, so it went up, and I didn't get to show you the 33-minute chart on this one, but I'll show you on the other one. Maybe Thursday, right? So it's a nice, very nice couple of entries, and then this was also an entry, and and how do we get these entries? I will tell you at the end of this video. I made 3 video series a couple of days ago, and show that EURUSD 33-minute setup was there, and then I was waiting for a long setup or possibly short setup, but long setup as I was expecting came along, and I took it, and it went up bazooka, right? So the same thing happened in EURUSD today, and I will show you at the end of it. So this was one of them, and then on the 2nd March, this euro yen, it went up like that, right? Because of the euro strength, basically. And then, like I said, 3rd and 4th, I just the market was bad, and I got busy on making videos, so no trade whatsoever. On the 5th, also. I have this what is it? Oh, EURUSD, right? And this is the one that I was talking about, that the 32-minute setup was there, and then I was waiting, and this is the one, the first entry I got, and went up, knocked me out here at break even. Then I got this entry, which went all the way to the upside. On the 5th, this is Aussie yen, beautiful entry, and you know that yen was getting strong and strong in the last week, and even before the week before the last week was all yen pair going down, and this is how 120 pip trade on Aussie yen. Aussie was getting weaker, that's why. And this is Euro Aussie. Right here is the entry. It's a 7-minute chart. It went up, down, up, down, up. It went up. Like I said, I was busy making videos. Otherwise, what I would usually do is that it goes up here, and I get out, and then get in again, and get in again, and here. So I catch up several trades, but here I was like, let it go. And then the 6th, this is the one. This is the one with the 33-minute chart. I even posted on the Telegram, so I'm gonna come back and show you how it is. On the 6th, 85 pip here, and then on the 6th, also pound CAD. Pound was getting strong, so pound CAD, pound USD, they went up. So 135 pip from here to here. This is a 20-minute chart, by the way, and straight went to this level, 75, 27. This is pound CAD, and here is the pound USD, the biggest one. Right from here all the way, I shrink the chart a little bit. That's why the candles look like that, because in the regular size, the whole chart wasn't coming on my screen. So from here all the way to the upside, and this is the big level on the weekly chart, 3047. So we went and we hit first, we dropped, we hit, we went up there, and we hit again. And the last is the New Z USD. Very nice up move after traveling just above the red line, and boom. If this all a USD pair were moving because of the US dollar index was dropping. I'll make another video about that. I'm really very tired right now, so just gonna end up with showing this Euro Aussie, what happened and how I took. So let me go back here. See, this is the one I posted on the Telegram, that EA 33-minute chart is doing the same thing as Euro USD 33-minute chart did earlier. And Euro USD 33-minute chart I was posting, and then I don't have it. I just made the video, I guess, then I didn't post it here. So you can see those videos, they're on my channel. But what 33-minute chart I was referring to is this. Okay, this is the 33-minute chart right there. This was a setup, and after going up, this is a 33-minute long setup. Right after that, what happened? And this is where we were at that time right there. So the idea is that to see if we go above. So we came here, and either we go above, and then this yellow should be above the red, and then we can take the long. So I took this long a little early, yes, of course, because I do that all the time. But the official entries came here, and it is because exactly the same way. This is what the EURUSD did after the 33-minute setup. It went up nice and clean above the red line, gave us the entry, and I took the entry and it went up. And this is the same way, but I took this early entry because I knew Aussie is, you know what, what's happening. Everybody knows what's happening in China right now, coronavirus kind of thing, and the China economy is getting hurt really bad. And Aussie, Australian economy is connected to China economy, so China is going down. Aussie dollar is going down right now, and Aussie was bad as it is because of the big huge fire there, and now this, so it is weighing on Aussie dollar pretty much big time. And Aussie, time to time it retraces, but then again it flies again. So that's why. So I was so sure that if we start bouncing from the 33-minute chart, so this first entry, even though we are below the red line, I took it. But these are the official entries, and then after that you have another entry here, you have another entry here, and this is how easy it is. That pay attention to these 33-minute chart, and then after that see if it is going to go in your way, and then you will definitely see these entries, and you just take the entries and write. So this is how it is. Excuse me. So yeah, so these are the only trades that I have for this week, and maybe hopefully I'll be finishing my urbanic pattern course and then Elliott wave as well over the weekend. Let's see what happens. I'll be posting it. I will make it available for everyone. So this is it for now, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.